Hello. Today we're going to do another little kids packet here, which, I mean, it's for kids, but I like butterflies, so I think this will be fun. And it comes with everything you need. So it has all of your strings. And it also comes with the canvas already pre-cut to the design. There we go. So I'm going to put this right here on the screen for just a minute. Let me put it over here where the light is not glaring on it too much. How's that? Maybe I can hold it up. And that way you can take a screenshot. There you go. Let you take a screenshot of that. That way you can print it out and you can make your own. And you can change the colors. You don't have to use the colors that they've chosen here. And you don't even have to do the little flower. You can take that off or you can leave it. And this would be great on a tissue box. It's a little wider than a tissue box, but it still would be cute. So there you go. All right, so we're going to do a count. So that way you know exactly how to cut this. So we're going to count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Okay, just in case I can't count, we're going to flip it this way and count it again, okay? See if we come up with 38. I always double count. I always triple count sometimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So the count is 38. And then you can always count from here to here to find your center point. So if you want to start in the center. I'm not going to count this out because I can't read this kind of design. I've tried a million times and I just can't. I have to see a picture and go by the picture. I can't count. But I think if you go ahead and you print it out, you'll be able to, you know, count it, mark it, and figure out the design. So it's a pretty quick little video. So that way you can take a little picture of it and see it up close. So there's that. And then, like I said, these are the pretty colors that they've chosen. I'm not going to take them out of the package. So, thanks for watching. Enjoy this beautiful butterfly design. Have a wonderfully blessed day. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Lets me know that you want to see more content like these. And if you have any suggestions, ideas, or tips, please leave them in the comment section below. I apologize for my nail polish. It is way overdue. So, thanks for watching.